Okay, so I got my Anthem MRX 720 today in the mail. I bought it from Theater Max in Florida from Craig Schumer. He's a really good guy, straight up, and I highly recommend him. I do have a MRX 1120, which I loved it so much that I wanted the 720 for the living room. So this is going to be an unboxing of it to show you what comes in the box, so you have an idea of what to expect if you purchase one. Okay, so we have the manual remotes packet, along with the wireless antennas, batteries, looks like an FM antenna, looks just like my 720 remote, of course. And we have the Anthem room correction, or ARC. This works amazing. Can't wait to see what it can do in a living room with a bunch of echoes and open doorways. I'll go ahead and open this up for people who haven't seen it. This actually comes with these receivers. Tells you to go download the software. You have to install it on a laptop. USB cable. That's just standard, not much to see. Microphone. This is pretty cool. Okay, you got a standard size little microphone here. It's got a USB connection on the back end, and then it snaps into the tripod so that you could put it in the room for seating placement. Oh, this is Cat 5 network cable. And this is the tripod that it comes with. And the microphone snaps directly into the tripod. And here's the head. So you loosen it, then you can tilt it and adjust it like so. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's actually a pretty nice tripod for a tuning microphone. You can almost use it for photography. So anyway, that's the mic stand. Alright, now we get on to the good part, the receiver itself. Get this out of here carefully. Like I said, I got this from Theater Max, based in Florida. I believe they have a store in New York as well. A friend of mine recommended Theater Max, and Really good people over there. he sent me a text before before FedEx notified that there was an issue with shipping, and really stayed on top of it every step of the way. Never have I received such good customer service from buying something online from somebody. I also bought caffeine wall speakers and a sound bar and a bunch of other stuff from them. So there's the front of the receiver, and I will take some close-up pictures and post them at the end. Here's the back of the receiver. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video or not. This is the 720, so it is 7 channels powered, but it does have the outputs for Atmos or height. You have to get an external amp. So anyway, that's the receiver. I'm going to hook it up and see how it sounds down here. So thank you for watching.